Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda in Colchester. Today we're going to be looking around this used Honda HRV. This one in particular is a one owner from new with just 9,285 miles on the clock. And this one in particular is the advanced trim that comes with 1.5 petrol hybrid automatic. Now the advanced trim itself does get you quite a lot of generous amount of equipment as standard. So for example on the exterior you'll find quite a lot including the rear parking sensors, the rear reversing camera, these 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry and keyless start, blind spot assist with the auto dimming wing mirrors, full LED headlights with the unique DRL signature, and below that you've got your front parking sensors and your LED fog lights too. Moving to the interior, we'll start with the rear seats. As the HRV is based on the Jazz, you do keep a lot of the practicality benefits you get with that model as well. So for example, you'll see straight away you get a generous amount of legroom as well as headroom for quite a small car. You'll also notice you've got this really rather lovely half leather, half fabric two-tone upholstery. And you'll also get all-round electric windows as well in the vehicle. The seats do have quite a cool amount of quirks to them. So the first one is that they have Honda's magic seats, which means you can raise the seat bases up, fold in the bar to lock it into place. So if you have any particularly tall items that won't fit in the boot, they will allow you to store it in the interior instead. And it's just as nice and easy to put back down again. Now, because of all that space in the footwell, it does also mean that when you fold the seats, which go in a 60-40 pattern, you do actually get a completely flat floor as well. Moving round to the boot, it's electrically operated with just a button underneath the Honda logo. And you'll see when it opens up, it's a massive size. And again, that's either with the seats up or when you've got the seats down. One cool party trick that you'll find in the boot of any HRV is this little storage cubby here. So what this allows you to do is put in anything like wet or muddy wellies, so you can rinse them off. The water will drain through the holes at the bottom, so it means you can keep your boot nice and clean. One other neat feature that you'll have, of course, with the electric boot as well, is that you have these two buttons. So the one on the left, that one just simply closes the boot, but you can also hold that one down to set the height. So for example, if you have quite a short garage with a low ceiling, it means you can set it to a specific height and it will always open up to that height and then close back down again. And the button on the right hand side, pressing that one will illuminate green. So that means that if you've got loads of shopping in the boot but you don't have your hands free to close the boot, it will use the rear parking sensors to detect that when you walk away, so that when you do, it will automatically close the boot for you. Moving round to the interior, we'll hop into the driver's side. This is where you'll find even more of that high standard equipment. The first things you'll notice is you have, as I mentioned earlier, the all-round electric windows. You also get the electrically folding and adjustable wing mirrors too. To the right of the steering wheel, you have all your safety controls, as well as the button for your parking sensors and your electric boot. Moving up behind the steering wheel, you've got your digital dash. To the right of that, you've got your power start button as well. And in front of that, you've also got your auto wipers. And on the left, your auto lights. The steering wheel itself, on the left-hand side, you'll find all your multimedia controls. And on the right-hand side, you'll find your adaptive cruise control buttons. And just below that as well, you have your heated steering wheel. Moving into the center, you've got this rather lovely large infotainment display which has your inbuilt sat-nav, and just below that you've got your dual zone climate control, and you'll also notice you've got your heated seats for both the driver and passenger. Now, one really cool quirk you get with these is that whenever you adjust the temperature to make it hotter, they'll glow red, and when you want to make it colder, they'll go blue. Just below that, you've got a little storage cubby, and you've also got a USB-A port on the left of it, and you've also got a USB-A on the right of it as well. And below that, you've got another little cubby hole, and again, you'll also find your 12-volt socket too. In front of that, of course, you've got the automatic gearbox, but just below that, you've also got your drive mode select too. And I'll also show off, again, the upholstery up front. So again, that two-tone with the half leather, half fabric. It works really nicely, especially with the contrast white stitching. If you feel like this vehicle ticks a lot of boxes for you, by all means, please pop on down. We'd love to take you out on a test drive in it. And we can also run through any part exchange evaluations, as well as any finance quotes should you need them.